So go to your browser and hit godaddy.com. So kung wala ka pang account sa GoDaddy, go ahead and go to the upper right section. Yan. Tapos, create your own account. Make sure that you will provide valid email address para ma-confirm yung account mo. Then, after that, you may go back here sa page na to and type a domain name na gusto mong bilhin. Okay? I'm working on a website now and I'm going to search kung available ba ang domain niya. So, the name of the website is for my para sa aking copywriting course na ginawa. So, I'll call the website Copywriter. So, tingnan natin kung available lang yung .com. So, unfortunately, ang copywriter.com ay may-ari na. So, medyo pricey. Pricey ang copywriter.com. So, let's explore options, no? Pwedeng .co, .net. How about .net? Copywriter.net. Okay, it's a better deal. Free website builder na siya, tapos may free privacy protection na siya. Okay, so make it yours. Parang adding to cart lang na feature nila. Then continue. Okay, make sure na naka-uncheck yung yung iba dyan. So, continue to cart. Copywriter.net. So, I'd like to change kung gaano katagal ko siya gagamitin. I'd like it to be 1 year lang. Yung .net, yan, mas mababa na yung nakuha natin price. So, $17. And here, dito sa checkout natin, meron tayong option to pay via PayPal. Or kung nakapag-input na kayo ng payment option nyo, usually credit card or debit card, Visa or MasterCard. Depende kung anong meron ka ngayon. And just a quick tip, yung Maya na virtual card, ina-allow din nila. Okay? Yung Maya na virtual debit card. Okay? So, let's click I'm ready to pay. Okay, complete order lang natin. Yun. Copywriter.net is yours. Your domain is being registered. You're almost ready to put it to work. Okay? So yun. Nabili mo na yung domain name na gusto mo na para sa product na or service na gusto mong i-offer. And the next step na gagawin natin is to build the website na kung saan pwede mong ilagay doon, i-display doon yung pinaka-offer mo. Okay? So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned useful skill dito sa video na to. Till next time, bye-bye.